Santa Barbara slip and fall accidents usually happen in businesses like grocery stores, restaurants, shopping centers, and hotels, where floors can be slippery due to spills or recent cleaning. Most of the time, you may not wound more than your pride, but a slip and fall can cause serious injuries. Your feet tend to fly forward, which can mean falling hard on your hips or even cracking the back of your skull, leading to fractures, spinal damage, or even a concussion. Premises liability means Santa Barbara businesses are responsible for keeping a safe space for their customers. Should their negligence contribute to your slip and fall, they can be held responsible for your medical bills, pain and suffering, and other damages. If you or a loved one is injured in a slip and fall in Santa Barbara, first, alert the staff, call paramedics, and document the scene with photos and witness contact information. Then, contact Maison Law. The experienced personal injury attorneys at Maison Law will help you navigate the claims process and fight for fair compensation. So don't face this challenge alone. Call Maison Law today.